We have 2 thumbs up from our relevant personnel. Drivers, hands off the controllers in 3, 2, 1, go!
And we are off here on Jones Field number 2 at the start of qualification match number 46 with the Blue Alliance Hyperion cycling through those artifacts and opening that gate to maximize their efficiency during this autonomous period, while their teammate on the far end of the blue side, Weight on Our Shoulders, is struggling to find their aim. Back on the red side, we had the same being done by VV Robots as hands are off, but as we enter the driver operated period.
3, 2, 1.
And we are off with the red side. Infinibot struggling to find their aim, while their teammate VV Robotics is precise as they are going back and forth, cycling through as they pick up from that gate, with the same being done by Hyperion over on the blue side. There is some defense being played by Weight on Our Shoulders against Infinibots as they both try and line up in that far launch zone. Weight on Our Shoulders, having found their aim, scores a volley of artifacts into that ramp, while their teammate Hyperion empties it. Back on the red side of things, we have VV Robots, who are quickly cycling through while their teammate is efficient in that far launch zone, picking up and launching rapidly, though not all of their artifacts are finding their place. As we are in the final minute of gameplay, we have about 100 points separating the red team from the blue team over here. And we will see if the blue team can do their part to recover those points while the red team continues on. We will see if Weight on Our Shoulders can find their aim as defense is being played to prevent them from scoring their shots. Their teammate, though, still staying consistent. On the red side, VV Robotics is still cycling, while their teammate remains in the far launch zone, staying consistent, spreading the field so that they can stay out of each other's way and pick up as rapidly as possible as we enter the final 10 seconds of gameplay. Teams have to choose, are they going to park, are they going to keep launching, or what are they going to do?
Or field 2.
We have scores going up on the board. It's the Red Alliance taking the victory for match 46 with a score 440 to 272. Only 4 points shy of your high score on the Jones division. They will get 5 ranking points, and that will solidify